everyone, welcome back to my blog, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Blog. For today's blog, uh, I'm going to show you the beautiful trumpet yellow mushroom. It comes from farmers market. It's organic. It cultured grow. They grow it. This is organic. Is yellow trumpet mushroom. It's edible. It's yummy. So just cook it just like this. Beautiful. Look at this. It's so beautiful. It's too cute to eat. I'm afraid to eat it, but you just saute it just like this. Wash it good and cook it just like that. Saute it, and the moisture and come out from his own mushroom, and just like that. Put olive oil, saute it, and cook it like that. Wash it good, and voila, you got yummy and delicious mushroom for your meal. So make a lot shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. um Please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please don't forget to pull the notification bell. Hit all for more updated for the next vlog. Look at this, how beautiful it is. Beautiful, like the fall colors. Yellow is one of my favorite colors. Yellow is beautiful. Look at this. This fall color, so beautiful. Is gold yellow, so like gold mushroom. Look at this, gold mushroom, yellow mushroom is yummy and delicious. So please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel everyone. It's me again, it's Pinay Blog. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please don't forget to pull the notification bell. Hit all for more updated for the next vlog. So please like and share, and be careful everyone, wherever you are in the whole world, especially in the Philippines. If you are in the Philippines, be safe, because they're suffering for Typhoon Yuan, and they have another typhoon coming up. So typhoon is like hurricane, is strong wind and heavy rain, just like that. So be careful and be safe as always, wherever you are in the whole world. Stay safe, and mabuhay tayong lahat. And make a lot shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Shout out to you all, and please like and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching everyone. God bless. Love you guys, and love in the air. Love everyone. Good vibes only, and so long. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you, and God bless you all. Have a good evening, and happy Tuesday to you all. It is November 11, 2025. So happy Tuesday, and God bless you all. So long, and thank you for watching everyone. Have a good evening to you all.